In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in Google Docs using 3 easy methods. Whether you're using arrows to point out important points in a document or to enhance your visual presentations, knowing how to insert them quickly and effectively is a useful skill. Let's dive straight in. First, open up your Google Docs document where you want to add the arrow. Position your cursor exactly where you'd like the arrow to appear. Now for the first method, start by clicking on the Insert menu at the top of your screen. Once there, navigate to Equation. You'll notice new menu options appearing. Click on Arrows. You'll be presented with several arrow options. Select the arrow that best suits your needs. Once you've inserted it into your document, you may wish to resize it. Simply click and drag the corners of the arrow to adjust its size. Now, moving on to the second method. Again, ensure your cursor is placed where you'd like to insert the arrow. Click on Insert, and this time choose Special Characters. In the search bar provided, type arrow to filter results. You'll see a variety of arrow symbols to choose from. Once again, select the arrow that fits your aesthetic and click on it to insert it directly into your document. With this method, you'll have a wider variety of arrow styles to pick from. For the third method, which allows for even more customization, start by clicking Insert. Go to Drawing and then select Plus New. In the drawing box that appears, choose Shapes from the toolbar and navigate to the Arrows category. Pick an arrow shape that's ideal for your purposes. After placing the arrow within the drawing window, you can change its color, add text, and resize it according to your preferences. When satisfied, click Save and Close to insert it into your document. This method is perfect for those who want more control over the design and appearance of their arrows. There you have it, 3 distinct methods to effectively add arrows in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to use simple keyboard shortcuts, predefined symbols, or custom shapes, each approach offers a unique set of features suitable for different needs. Try them out and see which one works best for your documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.